it's Tawny and we're back to my channel. Today is the Avalanche slime update. This is how it's turned out. It looks super cool in real life, but on camera, not that cool. It just looks you can really see all the details like this, like in real life, but like on camera it doesn't look as cool. But you can really see where it all set down and it goes up, and it's actually really cool. This is what the top part looks like. So I just came back from school. I changed out of my uniform into my PJs so you guys wouldn't see what school I went to. And so this took a really fast time to set. Like my other ones took like 2 days, and this one took overnight to school and then back home. So now we're just gonna poke this, and I'm gonna show you guys it, and that'll be the whole video. I've been waiting for this for a really long time because I haven't been able to poke or play with any of my Avalanche slimes before because I sold them, because those were like orders that I made. So this time I'm really excited. So let's get on with the video. So that was pretty much it for the video. It was just me mixing it together and playing with it, and it turned out this really pretty pinky purple color. I really like the color. It's nice and glossy too, and it has really nice texture. It's not sticky. It's a little bit harder, but it's still stretchy. I need to sneeze. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. It was just my Avalanche slime update. I hope you guys liked that video. I'm gonna be posting that video clip on my Instagram first, and then I'll edit the video and I'll post it on YouTube. So make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you follow my Instagram. The link will be down in the description below.